This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Adam Lester. Come quickly to see this split floor plan 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home with an attached garage and an additional detached oversized workshop, 2-car garage with half bath and RV hookup in the workshop. With a huge 0.32 acre lot, fenced-in backyard with fire pit, 2 master bedrooms downstairs with updated bath and spacious kitchen/dining area. A massive family room, foyer, and quant front porch all on the first floor. 2 additional bedrooms and bath on the second floor. This property has a lot to offer a family needing plenty of room or business owner. Quiet, respectful neighbors and very little traffic on the street. You'll find peace here with a great location. Seller is open to buyer credits for floors or fence. 6 miles to SRQ Airport and 9.5 miles to Bradenton Beach. For more information